Hello, everyone! Our house is so messy, I just saw a spider packing its bags to leave. Today, I'm making my wife clean up or get out of the house immediately. Watch to find out more.
Why is the house so messy?
Because you live here.
I live here? You live here too.
Yes, but I don't make the mess.
Who ate snacks and dropped crumbs?
The crumbs fell by themselves.
Wow, magical crumbs!
Yes, just like your dirty socks.
My socks are artistic.
They smell like disaster.
You should clean the house.
Why me?
Because you are the boss.
Then I order you to clean.
I quit this job.
You cannot quit marriage.
I want a transfer.
Transfer to where?
Somewhere clean.
Then start cleaning.
I cleaned yesterday.
Yesterday was last year.
Time flies.
Dust flies too.
The dust likes you more.
The dust follows you.
Because I am popular.
Popular with dirt.
That hurts.
Clean first, cry later.
Let's clean together.
You mean I clean, you watch?
I will supervise.
You will sleep.
That is deep thinking.
Deep sleeping.
I need energy.
You need a broom.
The broom is too heavy.
Your belly is heavier.
Let's make a plan.
Good idea. You clean everything.
That is not a plan.
It is a perfect plan.
I refuse.
Then live with the mess.
The mess is winning.
We are losing.
This is a disaster.
A dirty disaster.
I have a solution.
I'm listening.
We hire a helper.
Spend money never.
Or we clean.
Call the helper.
That was fast.
I love smart decisions.
You mean lazy decisions.
Same thing.
What will we do then?
We relax.
I like this plan.
Me too.
Should we mess the house more?
Don't push it.
Just a little?
No.
Okay, maybe later.
I heard that.
The helper will come soon.
Good. Hide the mess.
Hide the mess? Where?
Under the bed.
That is already full.
Oh no.
We need a bigger bed.
Or a bigger helper.
Or a cleaner husband.
Too late for that.